Okay, it's time to do some double conversions. And here we go. Let's try this one. We're going to change 22,647 inches. We're going to try to change them into miles. Multiply by a fraction, turn it into miles. Okay, how many miles will it be? Here's the problem. When you go and you look for inches going away and miles to show up, okay, when you look at the top of the page, I don't think we're going to see a direct relationship between inches and miles. In fact, I'm going to put a little star by all the ones with either miles or inches. Miles, let's see, inches. I see miles with kilometers, but I'm not seeing any. Oh, here we go, feet with inches, but I don't see any conversion that directly changes miles to inches, probably because those two units are very far apart. Inches are small, a mile is large. The middleman, you might notice here, is feet. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to go from miles to inches by using feet as our middleman. Okay? We're going to change inches into feet and then feet into miles. So on your paper, I want you to move everything or rewrite everything so you have a little bit more room. Multiply 22,647 inches. But this second fraction, we're going to change inches into feet. Inches on the bottom, feet up top. Then we'll multiply by another fraction. That'll get feet to go away, put it in the bottom, miles up top, and we'll be left with the number of miles in 22,647 inches. Okay, so here's how the relationship goes. The first fraction, we need to know how many inches are in 1 foot. 1 foot, 12 inches. The second fraction, how many feet are in 1 mile. 1 mile, 5,280 feet. Okay, so here we go. The units should cancel out correctly. Inches up top, inches in the bottom. Feet in the top, feet in the bottom. Who's the only unit that didn't have anyone to cancel with? Miles. So we have this set up correctly. All I need to do now is multiply. Make a fraction and multiply across the top. What's 22,647 times 1 times 1? Well, that's just 22,647. On the bottom, what's 12 times 5280? 12 times 5280. It's 63,360. So again, I multiplied the yellow numbers and put it up top, multiplied the green numbers, put it on the bottom. Now I have this fraction I need to divide, and I will be done. If I take that 22,647 divided by 63,360, you should get 0.357 miles. 0.357 miles, and we successfully went from inches to miles. Let's try that again with kilograms and tons. So 5,000 kilograms. We're going to try to get to tons. 5,000 kilograms. We're going to try to go to tons. So we look back up top. You see any relationship between tons and kilograms? Well, I see tons with pounds, and I see kilograms with pounds. So I think that pounds will be our middleman. Okay, so we're going to go from kilograms to pounds and pounds to tons. Here we go. Times one fraction times another fraction takes me to tons. Okay, we're going to go through pounds. Here we go. We want kilograms to be in the bottom, so it cancels. turn that into pounds. LBS is pounds. But then we want pounds to cancel with pounds and turn it into tons. So the circle will go with the circle, the square will cancel with the square, and tons will be the last person standing. Okay? Here we go. We need our first fraction to relate pounds and kilograms. 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. 1 kilogram, 2.2 pounds. Our next fraction, how many pounds are in a ton? That was right here. 2,000 pounds are in 1 ton. So we put the 2,000 in the bottom and the 1 in the top. Just like we did in the last one, we're going to multiply the top. Take 5,000 times 2.2 times 1. So 5,000 times 2.2 is 11,000. In the bottom, take 1 times 2,000, which is just 2,000. Now we divide. 11,000 divided by 2,000 is 5.5. So 5,000 kilograms is 5.5 tons. Done. Okay? So let's see if you can finish this page by doing the last problem there, and go back and look on page 11. Are there any that you skipped? Make sure you have them for tomorrow.